In this video, I am going to explain how to draw normal to spherical mirrors. How to draw normal to the spherical mirrors. For that, let me take a spherical mirror. I am taking a spherical mirror like this. Let me silhouette at this portion. By this, we can conclude that it is concave mirror. It is concave mirror. Why? Because the bulged portion is silvered and the inner part is made smooth. It is concave mirror. Right. Let I am taking, you know very well that the rays which are parallel to principal axis in mirror, they converge at a point, and that is called focus. Why these rays are coming to converge at this point? That is by laws of reflection. Have you observed? Let me draw. In this video, I am going to show that how the normal is going to return. Yeah, here you can get center of curvature. You know very well. It is a sphere. If you imagine the sphere as like this, here you are going to get center of curvature. Is it clear to you? And already here, how to draw the normal? Normal, you know very well. Normal is a line drawn perpendicular to the ray of incidence. That means this is the ray of incident ray. This is it incident at this particular point. For that point, we need to draw a normal. That means a perpendicular line we need to draw. For that, I am taking from center of curvature to I am drawing a perpendicular. Yeah, it is a perpendicular I have drawn. Is it clear? From center of curvature? That means you know very well. Here the angle is going to be incident angle. After incident at this point, the ray is going to reflect. The ray is going to reflect in this manner. Is it clear to you? That means, have you observed? This is incident angle. And what about here you are getting? This is reflected. Angle of reflection, angle of these two must equal. Why? Because it is mirror. In this reflection is going to take place. That means angle of incidence must equal with angle of reflection. In that condition, these rays want to be travel through this one. Suppose here I am taking one more ray. This is also parallel to principal axis. What will happen? We need to draw normal for this. Normal we need to draw from center of curvature. Let me draw normal to the incident point on the mirror. Is it clear to you? This is incident ray. It incidents at this point. Right. For that, I need to draw reflected ray. How the reflected ray will be? This is angle of incidence. The reflected ray want to travel in this direction. Is it clear? Here, this is angle of incidence. This is angle of reflection. These two must be equal. At that condition, all these parallel rays will converge at a point. That's what generally when we are discussing anything like in concave mirror, the parallel rays will converge at a point we will call. This under this phenomena, they are converge at a point. Next, we'll go through convex lens. Let me draw here. For this, the inner portion want to be silver. Yeah, here I am taking a ray which is parallel to principal axis. We know very well what is this lens. It is convex lens, convex mirror. Sorry, it is convex mirror. Convex mirror also called as a diverging mirror. Whatever the ray it is, and it is the parallel ray. It incidents at this point. For this, where it will reflect, how which path it will choose. For that, to denote that one, we need to get a normal. For that, let me develop this one into a sphere. Yeah, if it is a sphere, here will be the center of curvature. Now I am going to draw normal. To draw normal, this is angle of incidence, so I need to draw a perpendicular line. Let me draw a perpendicular line in this. Yeah, it is perpendicular line to this incident point. Yeah. Now I got this is angle of incidence. Is it clear to you? This is angle of incidence. Then the ray will go in this direction. This is angle of reflection. Have you observed here? This is angle of incidence. This is angle of reflection. Have you observed? In this phenomena, it is going to reflect in this manner. These two rays won't get. Then it can get virtual. Then we feel that it is coming from this point. If I have taken another line like this, then it is incident ray. How it will move? Then to decide that one, we need to draw a normal. Normal from center of curvature means, yeah, it is a normal from center of curvature. Here I am going to get angle of incidence. Then how it will reflect? In this way it will reflect. Here this one will be angle of reflection. here. That means you know very well, in convex mirror, it is a diverging mirror. It will diverge like this, but the parallel rays will converge at this point. This is called focus. Generally, we will call it as. Here, I have explained you that how the incident rays reflect under the phenomena of incident ray and reflected ray. It decided by the normal here. Have you got how to draw the normal? Please concentrate on that one. Here I am taking a mirror. This concave mirror. Is it clear to you? There I am taking. It will be center of curvature. You know why it is center of curvature? It is formed by sphere. If I take any ray parallel to principal axis, then how it will move? To decide that one, I need to draw a normal. Here I am going to draw a normal from center of curvature. Normal is nothing but it is a line drawn perpendicular to the ray of incidence. Yeah, here I have drawn a normal. This is angle of incidence. Is it clear to you? For that, as per reflection of laws, angle of incidence must equal with angle of reflection. Then here it makes an angle, then it will go. That means whatever the angle here it makes, it will also equal. Then the ray will move in this direction. It incidents in this direction, it reflects in this direction. Is it clear to you? With respect to normal only, we have to decide. This is incident ray. For that, I have drawn here a normal. Normal I have drawn here to the point of incidence as a perpendicular line. As a perpendicular line with respect, it is a center. It is sphere now. For sphere, I am taking center. From center of curvature to, we have to draw a line. Is it clear to you? Next, for the mirror like convex mirror, this portion is silvered. Is it clear to you? Inner portion is silvered and the bulged one is made smooth. Yeah. Here I am going to draw a line which is parallel to principal axis. After that one, what will happen? How it will move? We don't know that. For that, we need to draw a normal. You know very well. If we got a sphere here, here will be center of curvature. Now we need to draw a normal means we need to draw the perpendicular to the incident. Okay, point of incidence. This is a point of incidence. For that, I am going to draw perpendicular with respect to center of curvature. From center of curvature, I have drawn a line. It is normal. Now, this is angle of incidence. Then the reflected ray want to be make same angle as angle of incidence. Then, let me draw it like this. This is angle of reflection. Is it clear to you? Angle of incidence, angle of reflection. In this way, it will go. Now, I hope so that you got the point how to draw the normal for spherical mirror. From the center of curvature to you have to draw a perpendicular line at the point of incidence. I hope so that you got this one.